Be blessed by the divine. How do we maintain positive thoughts and positive health as a Kundalini yogi? My friend, everyone knows, not just a Kundalini yogi, that a positive thought produces positive chemical reaction in the body. The body is essentially made up of Panchabhutas, Prithvi, Teyu, Apu, Vayu, Akash, out of which the earth, the Prithvi, and the water combine together to form a chemical field in the body. The air and the water combine together, the air and the heat combine together form the electrical field in the body. But primarily the health revolves around the chemical field, and if the chemical field is harmonious with ourselves, there is no disease, there is no ill health, there is no pain, there is no problem in the physical body for a human being. Now, when there is a chemical imbalance, the doctors attempt to give certain chemical substance as compositions go in order to correct this chemical field imbalance in the human body. When they are able to successfully correct it, they become successful doctors, the medicine becomes successful in the market. For a yogi, of course, for a meditator, we can very clearly feel the difference of chemical field for different types of mental status that we undergo. For example, when a person gets angry, you can see that the blood pressure shoots up, acidity increases, palpitations increases, heart rate increases, breathing cycle intensifies, breathing itself becomes warm. When a person gets angry, you put your fingers below the nose, it will become very warm. The breathing itself will be pretty heavy and pretty warm. And the face, of course, undergoes completely different kind of reactions and textures. And therefore, you can very easily see that over a period of time, anger produces ulcer, it produces various other blood pressure related problems, heart related problems, skin related problems, and so on and so forth. All of these are chemical reactions, differences or disturbances in the chemical field for this particular person. So it is easy therefore to conclude logically that the mind plays a significant role in producing chemicals in the body, and therefore we must avoid having negative thoughts in ourselves. Now, easier said than done. How do we get rid of negative thoughts? Now, we cannot get rid of negative thoughts. We can only superimpose negative thought in that place a positive thought. We can put, let us say that we get jealous of someone. We can become magnanimous. That magnanimity can be developed in us. Love and compassion can be developed in us as a character in place of jealousy. When we intensify the power of magnanimity, forgiveness and tolerance, adjustment, sacrifice, therefore various positive thoughts in place of the negative thought. So the negative thought exists, the positive thought is coming now. If we intensify this using the power of the Kundalini meditation, this positive thought will superimpose the negative thought and start to sublimate the negative thought. Over a period of time, the negative thought will become weakened, it will become sublime, dormant, and eventually it will get expiated, removed from our system. And over a period of time, you will even wonder, how is it that I learned this Kundalini meditation, I did this superimposition of thought patterns, and suddenly now I feel that I don't get angry at all anymore, I don't get worried at all anymore, I don't speak any negative words, I don't think of any negative things, I don't really do any negative things in my life. The reason is, this is the power of visualization, superimposition through the power of auto-suggestion, derived from the core strength of Kundalini force. When we meditate on our own Kundalini Shakti, our brain starts to function at the alpha level of frequency between 14 and 8 cycle, 8 to 13, 8 to 14 cycles per second. At that alpha level of frequency between 8 and 13 cycles per second, the brain acquires concentration power, calmness, tranquility, peace, and increased willpower. With that increased willpower derived from the Kundalini meditation, it is possible easily to superimpose your negative thoughts with positive thoughts, and therefore you can enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, peace, prosperity, fame, and wisdom. Be blessed by the divine. Good luck to you.